So far you have seen how to create GitHub repository and push the source code into the GitHub. And also we have seen how to generate the PAT for the GitHub. That is the personal access token for the GitHub. In this video, we will see how to download and set up Jenkins in the local machine. So here you can go to this URL jenkins.io slash doc slash book slash installing. So once you navigate to this URL, so you'll be seeing this screen. On the left side, you can see the installing Jenkins. If your machine is Windows, you can simply click on the Windows and make sure that your system is meeting with the this hardware requirements. Then you can scroll down here, so you can download the .exe installer. So it depends on your system. You can, let's say for example, you want to install the Jenkins by using the .exe for the Windows. You can click on the Windows here, and this will downloads for me the Jenkins installer. So I want to click on the cancel. In my case, I have already installed it by using the brew command because I'm using the Mac operating system. So after downloading the Jenkins installer, you can simply double click on the installer file and you will be able to see this particular screen first. Then click on install, click on next, and here you can set the username and password. So you can basically test the credentials. Then you can add the port number. By default 8080 is the default port number. So if you want, you can provide some custom port number also. Then click on next, click on next here, again click on next, again click on the next. Then here it will take some time for installation purpose. Then finally you can click on the finish. So this is how you can install it in the Windows machine. Now let's go back here. Let's say for example, you want to install the Jenkins in the Mac machine. Simply go to the MacOS, and here you can go to the installing Jenkins LTS on macOS. So by using these brew commands, you can install the Jenkins in the Mac operating system. So by using this first command, you can install the latest stable Jenkins version, and you can start the Jenkins version by using the second command, and you can restart the Jenkins service in the Mac OS by using the third command, and also you can update the Jenkins to the latest stable version by using the fourth command, right? So this is how you can install the Jenkins in the Mac operating system. Say for example, if you want to use the WAR file, by using the WAR file also you can install the Jenkins in your system. So make sure that your system is matching with the or meeting with this hardware requirement. So simply you can go to this particular URL and you can download the WAR file, and in the command prompt simply you run this particular command java space -jar, and here you need to specify the path of the WAR file, right? So by using these three ways, or by using if you are using a Windows, you can use the Windows approach. If you are using the Mac OS, you can use the Mac OS approach. Say for example, you want to install by using the WAR file, you can use the third approach, right? So this is how you can install the Jenkins. Now, so there is another step after the installation of the Jenkins, right? So if I go here, once the installation is done, so simply you can type http://localhost:8080 in the web browser. So you will be able to see this particular screen. So simply you need to go to this particular location. So in this location, you will be having the password or a passkey. So that administrator password, you need to enter it here. Then simply click on the continue button here. Then, so here you can select the any of the option. So I would recommend you to select the very first option. So it is going to install the all the suggested plugins or the mostly used plugins. So in the second options where you need to select the manually which plugin you want to install it. On the next screen, so automatically it navigates to the this screen. So you can see this. So all the plugins are present here. The once the installation is completed, it goes to the this screen. So where you need to enter all the details like username, password. You can set the password. You can provide the full name and email address. Then you can click on the save and continue. Then, so simply it gives you the Jenkins URL, the same URL what we have just now seen in the beginning of this steps. And then click on the save and finish. So after clicking on the save and finish, you will be able to see the this screen. Jenkins is ready. You can click on the start using Jenkins and you will be able to see the Jenkins home screen like this.